In part 2 of the series, Cheap Jeep Overland Conversion, we finish the tent, try it out, bolt it to the top of the Jeep, and I get a cameraman.
This is what you need, Andy. You need a cameraman.
Drilling for the strut mounts. Hopefully they work. Maybe not, I don't know.
Wait a second. Okay, I'm just making sure I don't go through.
Is that good?
I think so.
Good enough? I guess we'll find out. All right, the next hole's drilled. Partly drilled. So that is a 1/4-inch drill bit. It's drilled out first. What size is that one?
5/16.
5/16, okay.
Yeah. That way this part can at least, you don't want it that wide, so because you want the threads to grip into the wood, is what I thought. So
okay.
So I just drilled the top a little bit thicker so it can sit in there, so it can seat while I'm drilling it in.
Good idea. Oh, is it stripped already? I'll have to weld it up. Okay, so the one side's in. We're gonna put the other side in, and we'll try this out, see if it works, or if the whole thing comes apart. Either way, it's a success. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Here we go, the moment of truth. The struts are popping the last one in.
All right.
Is that gonna hold it up? Oh, they hold it up. Will they close? Will they close it?
Wow.
What about opening?
Wow, that's pretty smooth, actually.
I wish they had a little more. Will it stay up on its own? Yeah, I wish they had a little more strength opening it up, but that's
You might want to
for
install some safeties.
yeah. Might want to put some.
Like something that hooks on the out that comes in or something, so it just
Yeah,
in
maybe.
case these fail.
Yeah. Not bad. That'll work for just eyeballing it and taking parts off the shelf that we could find that were cheap. The cheapest stuff we could find. That works pretty good. Oh, we put a lot of staples along the bottom, staples along the top. Screwed this panel in, which was splitting, so I had to pre-drill a lot of these holes to keep it from splitting. The first time I did it, the holes were too big. But this is up, but as soon as I put this panel on, that was too much weight for the struts. So it's still, there's some assist to get it up. I might need a second set of struts, maybe something a little bit stronger, but I put some boards in here as stops. So that's one side done, now I gotta do the other side. All right, back in business, kind of. Out or broken.
Yeah, plastic one's not very good.
It tries.
It does try.
It's like a toy. Do the same on this side, just go into right about here. And
right about there?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure what to do with the door yet.
Okay.
I know I've got Velcro for the door.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard in my life.
He's recording.
Oh, awesome.
About just into,
You don't want to see a little
just into about here.
Hey, stop wasting my staples over there.
And these should stick out. I made these a little bit long because I wasn't exactly sure where we're going to end up.
Okay.
So it'll probably stick out a little bit.
What the heck? Alright. What do you have more of these? Do you want us to just finish it or no? Or do you want to
Yeah, that'll do it. Let's figure out how this Velcro works. I think I cut these bottoms a little shorter than I should have. Should have left these a little bit longer. What parts do we have left?
What do you mean?
Oh, U-bolts.
Yeah, you bolted on and Velcro. That should be it, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. Close. Took us 2 hours, even though the daylight changed.
Well, it's 2-inch Velcro with self-adhesive, but I'm not sure how good this is gonna stick.
And this is how you install the Velcro.
Yeah, we need a lot more staples into here.
Okay.
The Velcro is way stronger than the adhesive. Yeah, we're gonna have to get like an office staple with the front and the back.
Oh.
I don't know.
We're gonna find it.
Sealed up pretty good.
No? Velcro it together? Is it gonna come all? See, this is what you need, Andy. You need a cameraman.
I do. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how you can put a 9-foot crate in the back of a Jeep Liberty KJ. Make sure you come back to watch that.